be back to show y'all what it looks like. Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I am going to retry the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Wheat Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Pearly Braid-Out Glaze on my hair as a wash and go. And this is at the request of one of our lovely roaches here, Shantae. Hey, Shantae. So, since I just got out the shower, what I'm gonna do here is go ahead and put some of this on my hair before my therapy appointment, which starts in 30 minutes exactly. Yeah, so because this product here is sticky, as I stated in my last video, and if you haven't seen that one, make sure you go ahead and watch it after this video. Because it is sticky, I'm gonna go ahead and put some gloves on. I'm just going to slather this on. And while I'm doing this, if you haven't had a chance to go ahead and subscribe, and you are new or not new to my channel, please subscribe. It's going to be a rush job, but hey. So this is my hair. Hold up, there's still no. Okay, do I need to wash this out some more? It was looking like shampoo was still in there. Maybe that was just water. Okay, so here goes my hair. I have not detangled, so this is going to be interesting. One section right there. For a refresher, this is what the consistency is like. Smells yummy. I'm not getting into a full review because the full review is on the previous video. Yes, this is a big section, but I don't get time to waste. Thankfully, my therapy appointment is through telehealth, so I don't gotta go nowhere.
I tried to be your everything, gave my everything, I sold out. Now just look at me, I'm a ghost with nothing left. Hollow, emptied out, what got lost can't be found. You stole every bit of me, now I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true. You don't...
Okay, this is what we're looking like. I can tell you right now, I like it a lot more as a wash and go so far with gloves. Then I got no issues. None whatsoever. Okay. I didn't comb it out. Okay, y'all. See, this is why I should have had it detangled first. Ooh. Okay, that's as good as it's gonna get. That's why you detangle first. Okay.
Around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell? You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no, no. Someday.
Okay. There goes that side. I like the way it's curling up. Very much so. I like that. Hopefully it still looks like this. when I'm done.
I will make you answer for all of your mistakes, but I'm way too weak now, crawling on all fours, searching for something to keep me from going crazy, but I'm way too deep now, I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true. You don't come.
Okay, so as you can see, this side is starting to shrink up.
Around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell?
Hopefully y'all can see that.
Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no, no. I really thought that I knew. I really thought that I knew if I had you.
So I must say, this seriously will curl up some hair. All that's on here is water and the product. That's it. So I'm gonna leave it alone. It is sticky on my neck, so that's, you know, just gonna have to deal with that. Might as well slick down my barely there edges. Okay, so I'm gonna stop touching it, and I need to get something. I think I have a satin scarf. I'm going to put it on my shoulders during my appointment, so at least my ends are not being disturbed by the sweatshirt. And then after that, I am probably going to sit underneath my thermal heat to get this all the way dry, and then I'll be back to show y'all what it looks like. So far it looks beautiful. If it could just stay like this, I'd be good. But anyway, I'll be back. Okay, roses, it's the next day. Let's not waste no time. Let me get some oil for these hands. And so what I ended up doing was sitting underneath thermal heat for about 30 minutes on low. And my hair wasn't all the way dry still. So anyway, as you can see already, I don't think I'm gonna have to complain this video this time around. Okay, but now to situate this, since I've been had it. Okay, so I can tell you right now, I love how it defined my curls. I love how my hair feels. It's not crunchy the amount I use. There is a hold though, but it's not crunchy. It is a flexible hold. Matter of fact, I think it says that on here, don't it? I'm not gonna look right now, but I think it says something about flexible hold. Now, I got a little bit of flaking right there, but that's my fault. Put some of the glaze right there, a little bit too much. That's okay. All I gotta do is take a little bit of water and get that out. But let's see if we can get some sort of style, cause yeah, my hair wasn't all the way dry by the time I put it up, but I needed to because, you know, a girl gotta sleep. So far, I have no complaints. My hair is clumped together where I pretty much left it.
I really thought we would be, I really thought you and me were forever, but I guess you had other plans. I wish I'd known in advance that way. Maybe I could've gotten my heart, but now I'm just back at the start. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just...
And this is a part right here that I didn't put as much gel on, and I already knew that while it was drying that it was going to be just like that. You can see where the scarf kind of stretched it out right here, which is not what I wanted. So, and then we have a little buildup right there, and that is from the gel. So I think I need to play around with just to see how much my hair really needs when it comes to this. A little water on my fingers, camouflage a little bit of that.
Baby, go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell? You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no, no. No, 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 no.
And I can lay that part down one more time. Okay, so I left this on here about 5 minutes. Okay, so this is what we are working with. Now I can see a little bit of flaking that I know is because I put too much gel on here. And remember, I was rushing, so yeah, and then I didn't put enough right there in this section right here. But as far as the results go, I am pleased. I am pleased. I think for me, of course, more water was the key, like many of you guys told me in my last video using this product. And the fact that I use gloves made my experience using it way, way better, okay? It did have a little bit of stickiness when it was drying. Other than that, the movement definitely defined my curls. I'm so happy with that. And it didn't, you know, it still left me with some volume. So I definitely appreciate that. It's not flat. Okay, so as the days go by, this is going to stretch and stretch and stretch and stretch as I try to stretch it. But I like it. I like it. And that's the back. Hopefully y'all can see. Yeah, my hair looks good and full on the back. Thank goodness. Love it. Y'all, this product here by The Main Choice, and again, that's the Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Pearly Braid-Out Glaze. This is trying to get me to like wash and goes on my hair. Especially with that movement. So anyway, y'all let me know what you think. Let me know, was this particular styling session a win this time around? Are you glad I finally added some more water to it? Is this the first time you're even seeing my face? Whether it's not, I would appreciate you giving this video a thumbs up, liking this video, because this pushes out my video to new people. And we're trying to grow this rose garden, okay? We are trying to grow it. Make sure you go ahead and share this video with someone. Subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love for you to become a rose here and join our rose garden. So come on in, don't be shy. Just go ahead and click it. Go ahead and click it. You know you want to click it right now. You know you've been thinking about clicking it. Go ahead and click it, okay? Leave me a comment. And other than that, roses, I will talk to you later.
Let me go.